In this video, I'm going to let you know what you should do if you are having problem with your order in the Etsy app itself. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following video, I'm going to show you the ways on what you should do if you have a problem with your order on the Etsy app. So first of all, you have to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. So usually the seller will be answering all of the questions. However, in this procedure, what you can do is you can go and then you should open up a new tab and type in problem with my order Etsy. And when you do that, you'll be able to find information regarding what you can do in order to fix the issue. However, to get in contact or to get more information about it, you can go to the link that says help.etsy.com, and here you'll be able to go ahead and list out all of the information, and the seller will be able to answer all sort of questions. So that's basically how you can fix or what you should be doing if you are having problem with your order on the Etsy app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.